In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in HubSpot's Design Manager 2025. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just getting started, understanding how to effectively use the Design Manager is crucial for customizing your HubSpot experience. Let's dive right in and make this process effortless and straightforward. First, we want to begin our journey at the HubSpot User Guide. Navigating over to the User Guide provides a helpful overview of all the resources available for your use, and it's a great starting point. Think of it as the roadmap to all things HubSpot. From here, these user guides serve as a pivotal resource, laying the groundwork for the steps you will take. With the user guide open, you'll want to direct your attention over to the Content option. Clicking on Content will bring you to the heart of all marketing and website content tools available right in HubSpot. It's from this section that you access all the amazing tools to craft, organize, and manage your content strategy across the platform. After clicking Content, the next step is to head over to the Design Manager. The Design Manager is where all your design-related work takes place. Here you have the power to create and edit various assets, like templates and modules, which are foundational to shaping your website's look and feel. It's like your own digital workshop for creativity, opening the door for custom design alongside the flexibility of editing existing ones. Now that you're in the Design Manager, look for and click on the Create a New File button. This action is the starting point of your new project. Creating a new file is like opening a fresh canvas where anything is possible, and your ideas can take form and evolve into something tangible on your site. The final step is critical. Click on the prompt, "What would you like to build today?" This query not only sets the tone for jumping into action, but also kickstarts your creative process. It asks you to decide the type of file you'd like to create, be it a new template, module, or even a style sheet. This pivotal step turns your creative ideas into reality, providing the tool to craft what meets your specific design needs. Remember, confidence and creativity are key as you navigate the HubSpot Design Manager. Exploring and experimenting within this space gives you the control to tailor your digital experiences to match your vision. With these steps, you're well on your way to designing and managing beautiful content within HubSpot. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you master all the features HubSpot has to offer. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.